Dear graduating students, before I conclude, may I share with you a few life lessons. You will remember after many years what was said at this convocation. As you step out of the portals of this great university, know that you are going to step into a bigger university, the University of Life. The University of Life has no campus, it has no classrooms, it has no fixed curriculum, it has no faculty. You will be on your own. You will have to excel in it just as you have excelled in PDU. But don't worry. Life is as rewarding as it is demanding. And as you chart your path forward, allow me to suggest 5 guiding principles that have helped me. 1. Discover your true passion. Find what ignites your soul. When you dedicate your energy to something you love, work becomes joy and challenge becomes opportunities for growth. 2. Commit to lifelong learning. In this age of rapid technological advancement, the willingness to learn continuously is not an option. It is a must for survival and success. Therefore, embrace curiosity and never stop learning, ever. 3. Inculcate the virtue of sharing. Know that knowledge grows when it is shared. By helping others rise, you elevate yourself and build a community of mutual growth and progress. 4. Invest in meaningful relationships. Genuine connections, what I call dil ke rishte, are the foundation of both personal and professional success. Build trust, foster respect, focus on character building, and nurture relationships that stand the test of time. And 5, cherish and nurture your family bonds. Family gives purpose and direction to life. It is within the family that you learn values such as care, empathy, resilience, and qualities that will shape your journey to success. My dear students, I know all of you are excited, happy, and also perhaps a bit nervous. As you stand on the threshold of your professional journey, it is natural for you to think about the future. But let me assure you one thing. There has never been a better time to be young and ambitious in India. You are stepping into the golden age of India. You are not only its inheritors, but also its creators. The future belongs to you, and I have no doubt you will seize it with courage, determination, and a sense of purpose. The opportunities before you are vast, but so is your potential. Step out with confidence, work with determination, and lead with integrity. Let the values you hold close and the lessons you have learned at PDEU guide you as you reach for the stars. We are immensely proud of you and cannot wait to see the incredible contributions you will make to India and the world. May you always dream big,